What's up, YouTube? Today we are back. Finally the weather is quite alright. It's still wet and raining a lot, but we have a pretty nice job today. I think you all enjoy it. So it's dramatically uneven. There is some brush stumps, some small tree stumps everywhere, and everywhere where there is a marker there's a stump, and more. Really uneven, a lot of thick old grass, quite a few layers, and yes, small stumps. It's apple trees, and there is rocks and trash under the ground, like cement or concrete, whatever you call it. Here's like a fundament or something like that. It's really uneven. I don't know if you can see it in the video. It really goes like this all around here. So stumps everywhere, kind of bumpy, or yeah, you can see everywhere where these little things grow, there's stumps underneath. The customer said there is a lot of rocks here as well, a lot of trash buried in the old times, so we're in for a treat. First we're gonna do deep grinding, grind all the stumps, pull out all the root systems, grind them all in the ground. He will go quite deep in the stump areas where there is root systems, so up to 11.8 inches. And after, we'll level and settle everything, and we need to seed the grass seed as well, so we'll prepare it nicely. And everything I will dig out with the excavator, like the concrete slabs and all that, I will bury in the corner. And yes, the main thing is it really uneven and a lot of small stumps, which will be no problem at all for our attachment. Easy job, and nice one. You can see the transformation in real time, and oh boy. There is like holes everywhere, and it's really uneven. Eats it like a cake. Yeah, he eats it like a cake. Grinds it in real fine pieces with forestry rotor head, and you can hide it all in under the ground when you settle and level and settle the ground afterwards. Let's eat this one for breakfast. A lot of rocks and trash underneath, just so you can understand how uneven it is. Maybe you can, whoopa, yeah, like a roller coaster. Yeah, the customer wants us to take the excavator and just level the soil around this basement. Not basement, fundament, or I don't know how you call this in American. So just take it around, clear it all up so it's visible. He wants to reuse it for a small house or something. This is deep. Finishing up with the deep grinding. We have some issues with Bobcat, it's heating up and trying to solve those, so working really slowly. But finishing up the deep grind, we'll start to level and settle soon, and seeding the grass seed after. I'm afraid I'm not gonna be able to film it. I have to go to MOT with a big truck, so I'll be back in an hour. So I have missed the whole leveling and settling part, but I have an MOT, so looks like just seeding left. So it's done, it's all leveled, seeded, all the stumps and root system grinded, vegetation has been stopped, nothing will grow back from the brushes and trees. So everything seeded, all perfectly leveled and settled. We left the fundaments. I think this will be a happy customer again. I mean, just look at that. Yes, sir. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Nothing much, but I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and see you in the next one.